Royal Highness, sir, on behalf of the Universal Peace Foundation, I bring you the greetings. I'm sorry I can't speak the local language. I went through your CV, I went through your biodata, and I was very much impressed how much you have contributed. The slogan of Universal Peace Federation by the founders is living for the sake of others. Living. Father Gonu was 15 years old when he was called the founder, and he passed on at the age of 92, and the wife was handed the mantle to continue. So, as we open our relationship with you, we'll be able to let you have a view of what is taking place around the world by the wife. Last year we had about rallies of hope about 6 times, and then all the heads of state, all the dignitaries from around the world were connected by Zoom. So today we have a record of over 140 million people that are viewing the activities of UPF. And we have chapters in 194 nations worldwide, including having a seat at the United Nations, whereby the UPF is trying to guide the leaders of UN to understand the need for descending down to up to even the local level and interpreting the charter that was drawn at the time UN was drawn and was set up. Meeting the people substantially and then reaching out to the youth and the people down to the grassroots. So I want to therefore present the letter to you directly because let me have this. Whatever we do is reported, and at the end of each month it's reported to the United Nations because Father Moon told them his mission there is to reform. Therefore, whatever they are doing at UN, we are doing the same. But then at the end, we give them a report and say, this is what and what we have done. So we give them a confirmation what they are doing. So on behalf of Universal Peace Federation, not just Ghana, but the whole of Africa and the world, I present to you.
From my elders and subjects from the Nuŋua traditional area. Peace. 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 Every one of us here, and for that matter, every human, talks about peace and desires to experience it at all times. But the big question is, how do we achieve it? Pondering about how the world is typically losing all fibers of a peaceful society, I had a conversation with a comrade of mine not so long ago. We attempted to discuss a solution. I suggested religion, but he disagreed. According to this old trend, religion has caused wide destruction and misunderstanding to and among the human race. So much that if we want to ensure a peaceful world or coexistence, religion should be out of the discussion. I brought his mind to something which I would like to share here. Religion has never completed with peace. Its followers have. I repeat, religion has never completed with peace. Its followers have. Religion is one. It is the sects that are many. Veritable scriptures of all the major faiths or religions, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism, Buddhism, Shintoism, Hare Krishna, and others all endorse and preach peace. All endorse and preach peace. Islam is derived from the Arabic word salam, which literally means peace. Muslims greet each other by saying salam alaikum, meaning peace be unto you. Jesus Christ preached and blessed people, and in the end he says, peace be unto you. The Bible, the Quran, the Torah, the Gita, the Kojiki, the Pali, all admonish us to live in peace. We, the followers, have chosen to do propaganda with the doctrines, hence the chaos in the world. If we truly understand the essence of the philosophies in the numerous scriptures, the teachings by founders and spiritual leaders of the various states, we will all forever live at peace with each other. There will be no confusion, no discrimination, and no distraction. I am not omnipresent, so I cannot speak about what goes on everywhere. One thing I have realized in Ghana, as far as the peace talk is concerned, is that we see peace as an event. You will hear about peace talks only when it's time for elections. We are afraid there will be war. Everyone is afraid to die. Yet we always tell the dead to rest in peace. Seriously, waiting for every 4 years to preach peace is not the best approach in ensuring a peaceful society. We must preach peace on a daily basis. It's a process. I thank the Universal Peace Federation Ghana for accepting my nomination for this prestigious Ambassador for Peace. I congratulate all other awardees and hope we live up to expectation. We may not create a perfect peaceful world, but with unity, fairness, and equity, a prosperous one can be achieved. Thank you very much.